Should you be using Advantage Plus placements with your Facebook ads? Allow me to teach you guys exactly how to make this decision for you. The simple answer is that if your ad would not make sense if the caption was removed from it, then that is when you're going to want to do manual placement. So for instance, if I was running an ad where it was just a picture of me and then the caption said, I'm going to teach you guys the new Facebook ad strategy of 2024. That ad would need the caption in order for the message to be conveyed in the ad at all. In that case, you're going to want to do manual placements, and you're going to come down here and you're going to turn off stories, because your ad on stories with no caption tied to it isn't even going to make sense. So yes, you're going to want to turn it off in those cases. If the image of your ad, though, completely explains your offer, or it's a video, and this video, if they watch the video, completely explains your offer, I actually would recommend that you leave Advantage Plus placements on. And this is something that is contradicting videos that I came out with a couple months ago. So this is a new thing that I'm saying to do this, because you guys may have known that I was a fan of turn off search results, turn off right column, and the reason why is those two locations pretty much never get sales. But what I've really seen is the cost to show an ad in those locations is so low. Like literally it could cost like $1 to show your ad to like 1,000 people in those locations, that it's better to keep it on just for the sake of your ad campaign, getting all of those touch points. Like everyone knows that people require usually like at least 7 touch points before they actually buy something. So in order to get those, even though they probably won't buy from the search results ad, or they're not going to buy from like the right column or some of these other weirder spots, those impressions are so cheap, and just that brand awareness and keeping top of mind is going to be valuable enough to your overall sales campaign. This has changed recently as well. I was like, I need to come out with a video, but really I think this is going to be the way to go moving forward. If it doesn't make sense to do so, then there you go. Otherwise, try to use this when you can. That is what I got for you in this video. Make sure you're subscribed, check out the other videos, and book a call with me below if you need some more hands-on help. I'll see you in the next one.